So the next thing we're going to add in our application is to enable us use AI inside this application. So we are going to integrate the AI feature and for us to generate these documents and contracts, right? So we are going to say I want to implement the OpenAI API in order to enable users to generate so let's see what is gonna require us to do next. Yep. So it's writing a page that will integrate AI. So you can see the code base. Also, you can also edit it and yeah. So you can see all the code bases, right? Yeah. Can manually um add any codes. I can manually edit it. All right. You can see all the pages. You can see headers, logos, everything. Right. You can see it's even adding um more pages. See pages. Dive over to see all these ones. The narrate everyone.css, the one I just did now. So yeah. Let's go back to this other move. Right. So it's now done. So we are going to refactor this. Yes, we're going to refactor this. Let's see. Oh, generate agreement. So let's see if this is working. It says that users will be able to input their API key. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you can see, imagine, you can see, upload your own. Okay. Okay, let me put my API key here and see if it will work. So I'll put in my API key. Let me see. Put in my API key. Let me see if it's working already. Okay, let me use this templates. Templates. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing continue here. Let me see. Oh, awesome. So this is beautiful. You can see this is actually working. Yeah, so let me go ahead and fill these forms and see what happens next. Oh, wow. Even the calendar integration is working. Okay, let me put this at and put it 29. Okay, let me just put it 29. And the end dates can select wow May 29th. Ah, amazing. This is really working. May 29th, right? This is interesting. This is interesting. Like just once every it seems like everything is working perfectly. Let me just input the key times. So yeah, that party A, Alchemist Tech has agreed to build an application and a chatbot for party B, Alchemist AI agency, from the 29th of April to 29th of May in the cost of $2,500, right? So we're going to select jurisdiction. Wow. This is amazing. Guys, this is amazing. Guys, AI is here to help us. AI is here to help us work smarter, guys. Okay, so right now we've selected United Kingdom, and I don't think this one is working yet, but let's see. Let's see what happens if we click generate documents. Let's see. So it's generating the documents. Let's see what it comes up with. So, amazing, amazing, amazing. This is wow, wow, wow. Guys, the document is generated. Guys, wow. Damn, save as draft, finalize and send. This is wonderful. This is, guys, AI is doing amazing. This is an application that will take me months or weeks. You can develop it in just few minutes or few hours. Imagine it, guys. Imagine it. Wow. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. So let's go ahead and review the agreements. Look at the AI generated everything. Everything, guys. Everything. Sarisa, everything. Everything. So right now I notice that this there is no um improvement button here to allow the AI to, self improve it. So we are going to ask it to include a button so that the AI would go ahead and improve if we agree, right? If we allow it to improve, so the AI will go ahead to, improve on this risk analysis. So let's do that. Let's add that is add the button. So I want the AI to add two buttons, right? Edit button here at the documents, and a regenerate button. A regenerate button. And also I wanted to add an improve button on this risk analysis improvement suggestion, right? So that is what I have asked the AI to do, right? So let's go. So look at the things he has, added, right? So he has added all this. So but there's an error. Let's ask it to try fix it. So guys, look at it. Look at this. Look at it. So we'll now have regenerate and we'll now have edit. So let me try and see if the edit is working. And just let me click edit. Oh guys, the edit is working. This is amazing. Edit is working perfectly. So you can, edit the documents, remove anything. And let me see. Now let me see if I remove something. How will you say it? And let's see. Okay. Oh, save changes. This is also. This is also. Wow. So the suggested improvements, you can click here now and amazing, 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 amazing. Kindly go through the generated agreement, you will see that this thing is really working perfectly. Everything is working perfectly. Just one prompt, right? Just one prompt. So what we are going to do now is we are going to um self-improve it. Let's self-improve it and see what will happen. If it's going to, add some things to it. After that, we're going to save as drafts. Self-improvement is working successfully. It works successfully. So the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to save a draft so that we'll see if this agreement is going to be saved as our contract, like my contract, right? So this is the user's contract. All these contract that the user has developed, they are generated, so it will be saved here. So we'll see right now if that feature is working. All right. So let's see, save as drafts. First of all, let's copy all this. Let's select count. Okay, this is not working. Let me try this, finalize and send and see. Okay, since they are not working yet. Okay, let's do this first. Let's prompt the AI to again. Right. Yeah. So let's say, okay, let me refactor this. So right now, we want to ask it to include a download button, right? So that users can be able to download the generated agreements in a PDF format, right? Then another thing, we are going to ask it to make sure that the save as drafts button is working, and also the finalize and send button. Would ask it to implement an API key, an API that we'll use to trigger the sign, right? So I'm going to use DocuSign API key, right? So when we click on finalize our sign, so it's supposed to take us to our own a page where we will sign. Then there will be a button, the send button, where if we click on the send button, and it will trigger us to impute the email of the recipient, right? That will sign the other that will also sign. So that's what we're going to ask it to do now. So right now I've given him all the prompts. So let him go ahead and implement it. So let's wait for it. So right now we are going to connect some Superbase, right, for it to handle these other features that will allow us to save as draft and also implement the signing and functionalities. So that is what the AI tools and that is what the Lovable is writing right now. So let's wait till it's done, and I will test the feature and see if it's working. So you can see, let's say for instance, we don't know how to implement this functionality in our Superbase account, right? So it gave us all the steps that we need, even write the code that we can use and go to Superbase, and it just gave us all the steps that we need to do, right? So it's so easy for us. So let's do that. So we've done it. It says success, and we did just as specified in Lovable, and it says success. So it means that everything is working perfectly. So yeah, most of the things are working now, right? I've implemented the save as drafts and even the finalize and send now button, right? I've created and integrated in all the pages and Superbase for it to work, but let's test it, right? So let's test it. Yeah, so this is it. So this is it. It's actually here, and let's test it and see if it's working. So we have click on download. Let's see if it's actually going to download the document. Okay, so it says it's not working. Okay, download is not working. Okay, let's say save as draft. Okay, I think this one is working right now. Let's see. Oh, what did it take us back? Take us back to the awareness. Let me see. Okay. Oh, it's actually here. It's actually here. Let's see. Viewing contract details. Okay. Um, let's see. Download. Contract download started. Let's see. Why is it downloading? It's not actually downloading. Okay, let's try and paste that. So the download is not working. So let's ask it to make it possible for download to be working. Right. So I've asked it to make it possible for these downloads to be working, and also to include a delete function here so that users can also be able to delete any save or draft um, contract, right? So then I'll ask it to also add a send button, right, to be able to send it to sign in page. So yeah, right now we've implemented that. So let's test and see. There's a build error here, but then PDF download feature should now work correctly. Okay, let's test and see what else happens. Oh, okay, let's test and see. Let's see view. Let's see if the view is working. Oh, amazing. It is working. There. Dang. It is working. Wow. Oh, wow. Download is now here, and send to sign is now here. So let's see the download. See the download will work. Contract downloaded successfully. Wow. So the download is working. Let's say click to send. Send for signing. This will send a contract for electronic signature. Amazing. Oh, the download actually works. The download actually works. This is nice. This is nice. So let's check and see if the send now is working. Contract sent for signing. Oh, see another feature. It's brought out sent. So it brought out a notification that it had been sent, right? Wow, this is nice. Okay, so let's see. Where did he send it to? Where did he send it to? Okay, so we'll try and fix everything. All right. Yeah, so right now, once it's to implement a function here, a delete function here, so that users can also be able to delete sent contrast, right? So that is what we have asked it to do right there. Let's go there. Yeah, so here we go. Here we go. Look at it here. So can we have the ability to delete contracts, right? Both drafts and sends, right? So let's go to the next feature. Let's see the next feature that we want. Touch code. We'll be able to remove this right here so that it will be on the back end, right? So we'll use the API to work. We can use the API on all the AI features in this application. So we'll remove this in this interface. Let's see the upload contracts. It is upload function is working. Let's see. So this uploads button, upload document is not working. So we'll try and fix it now. So yeah, ask it to include an enhance with AI button here and edit button, right? Once a user has uploaded their own contract, right? So we can use our AI to enhance it, to edit it and enhance it. So that is what we are adding up here. So the upload functionality is now working. I have uploaded I have uploaded the documents and look at it. It brought up the enhance with AI. They generate, edits, downloads right here. Everything is working right here. This is the one that I uploaded, right? So you can see it's working perfectly. Wow. So we can even save as drafts. Everything it works perfectly well. Yeah, so this Lovable also has a chat functionality, right? Whereby you can chat with your projects, right? Get insights, get improvements, and get implementation plan, right? Without affecting the already generated code base, right? So that is what I'm doing here, right? So I'm trying to know a way to implement most of the dynamic features, right? So that is it. So yeah. Yeah. So we're not implement this particular feature now. That's what we're working on. So we're implementing these features to make it possible for party A to be able to choose whether to sign before sending to party B or just to continue sending to party B, right? And also to make it possible for when party A choose, right? Party B a function that would require us to input party B's email address so that the document will be sent to party B's email address for signing. So that is what we are implementing here right now. Yeah, so right now we have implemented most of the requirements, right? For us to send and send before signing and send without signing, right? So sign before sending and for us to send without signing. So that is what we've done. And right now we are going to implement the API key that we're going to use. We're going to implement the API key we're going to use to handle the signing, right? That is what we are going to do now. So let's go.